Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled deep within a mystical forest, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her vibrant red hair, sparkling green eyes, and a heart full of curiosity. The villagers adored her, and she was often seen wandering through the woods, imagining magical creatures and enchanted lands. One sunny morning, as Lily was exploring a new part of the forest, she stumbled upon a tiny, wounded fairy named Aurora. With delicate wings shimmering like a rainbow and a soft, gentle voice, Aurora told Lily about the evil sorceress who had cast a dark spell on the forest, turning its beauty into darkness. The sorceress had captured all the other fairies, leaving Aurora as the last remaining hope. Lily, fueled by her compassionate spirit, vowed to help Aurora break the spell and save the forest. Aurora explained that to reverse the enchantment, they needed to find 3 rare ingredients: a silver moonstone, a golden phoenix feather, and a pearl from the mystical mermaid's cove. Their first challenge led them to a mysterious cave, guarded by a fearsome dragon. With Lily's quick thinking and Aurora's magic, they managed to outsmart the dragon and claim the silver moonstone as their first ingredient. Next, they ventured into a towering mountain, where they encountered the legendary phoenix. The phoenix, touched by Lily's pure heart, willingly shed a single golden feather, which they gratefully collected as the second ingredient. Finally, guided by a magical map provided by Oliver, Lily and Aurora set sail to the depths of the ocean, searching for Mermaid's Cove. They faced turbulent waves and sea monsters, but their determination never wavered. With the help of a friendly dolphin, they discovered the cove, guarded by a kind-hearted mermaid. The mermaid gifted them a precious pearl, shimmering with the colors of the sea. With all 3 ingredients in hand, Lily and Aurora returned to the heart of the forest. Beneath the glowing light of a full moon, they performed a powerful ritual, chanting ancient words and combining the silver moonstone, golden phoenix feather, and pearl. As they completed the spell, a burst of light exploded from the center, dispelling the sorceress's darkness and restoring the forest's beauty. The fairies, freed from their captivity, swirled around Lily and Aurora, showering them with gratitude and joy. The forest, once again alive with vibrant colors and magical creatures, celebrated their triumph. Lily and Aurora were hailed as heroes, their story passed down through generations as a tale of bravery and friendship.